Good evening, ma'am. Myself Yashwant. I am from Triple E Department, BTech first year. Today, my topic name is difference differences between soft and hard magnetic materials. Introduction to magnetic materials. Magnetic materials are substances that respond to a magnetic field and can become magnetized. These materials exhibit magnetism because of motions of electric charges, mainly the spin and orbital motions of electrons inside the atoms. Every electron behave like a tiny magnet in most materials. These magnetic materials cancels but in some materials they interact and again producing strong magnetic effects. Such materials are called magnetic materials. Define of soft magnetic materials. Soft magnetic materials are materials that can be easily magnetized and demagnetized when exposed to an external magnetic field. They have low susceptibility, high permeability, and low high stresses losses, which means they require very little energy to change their magnetic state. Define of hard magnetic materials. Hard magnetic materials are materials that are difficult to magnetize and demagnetize. They possible high correctivity and high relativity and large high stress losses because they retain a strong magnetic field even after the external field is removed. They are used to make permanent magnets. Key characteristics of soft magnetic materials. Soft magnetic materials have properties chart allows them to be easily magnetized, demagnetized. Their magnetic behavior makes them ideal for applications where the magnetic field changes continuously, such as transformer, indicators, and motors. First, low susceptibility (HC). Susceptibility is the reverse magnetic field needs the demagnetize a materials. Soft magnetic materials have very low susceptibility force, meaning they can be magnetized and demagnetized without requiring strong magnetic fields. This allows the quick response to charging magnetic materials. Key, mag- Key characteristics of soft magnetic materials. High permeability. Mu. Permeability indicates how easily magnetic flux can passes through a material. Soft magnetic materials have high initial and relative permeability, meaning they guide magnetic flux efficiently. They reduces magnetic reflects and improves devices performance. Third one is low high stress loss. High stress loss is the energy lost during each cycle of magnetizations because soft magnetic materials have a narrow high stress loop. Their losses are minimum. This property is especially important in AC. AC means alternating current applications. Key characteristics of hard magnetic materials. Hard magnetic materials are those that retain magnetizations permanently and resist demagnetization. Their magnetic properties make them ideal for making permanent magnets and devices that requires a strong stable magnetic field. High susceptibility means HC. Susceptibility is the magnetic field required to demagnetize a material. Hard magnetic materials have very high susceptibility force, meaning they cannot be easily demagnetized. This property allows them to retain the magnetizations for long periods. Key characteristics of hard magnetic materials. Second one is high relativity means permanence. Relativity is ability of material to remain the magnetized after the external magnetic field is removed. Hard magnetic materials exhibited high relativity, making them suitable for a permanent magnets. And third one is large and wide high stresses loop. They have a widely high stresses loops indicating high susceptibility force, high remnant magnetizations, and last one is high energy losses per cycle. Because of these, they are not suitable for AC applications. Magnetic high stressivity in soft magnetic materials. Soft magnetic materials they exhibit narrow high stressivity loops. This indicates low energy losses during the magnetization cycles. They are ideally for alternating the current AC applications. So, magnetic magnetic high stresses in hard materials. Hard magnetic materials show the wide high stressivity loops, signing significant energy losses if used the repeatedly, suitable for statistic magnetic applications like permanent magnets. Examples of soft magnetic materials: iron and silicon steels are common soft magnetic materials. Nickel, iron alloys likely permeability are also widely used. Soft ferrites are used to high frequency applications. Examples of hard magnetic materials: unlike alloys are typical hard magnetic materials. Ceramic magnetic materials such as ferrite magnets are hard magnetic materials. Rare earth magnetic like neodymium, iron, boron are also hard magnetic materials. Applications of soft magnetic materials used in a transformer, indicator, and electromagnets. Ideal for core in electrical motor and generators. Suitable for device requiring repeated magnetizations and demagnetizations. Applications of hard magnetic materials employing in permanent magnetic for the motors and speakers used in magnetic storage devices and sensors also. Suitable for applications requiring permanent magnetic field. Compressing of soft and hard magnetic materials. Soft magnetic materials have low susceptibility, whereas hard ones have high susceptibility. Soft materials are used in dynamic magnetic field. Hard fields are used for static field. Both types are essentially, but their applications are distinct based on magnetic properties. Factors influence magnetic properties. Compositions and alloying elements significantly affect magnetic behavior. Temperature change can alter magnetic permeability and susceptibility. Manufacturing process impact the magnetic characteristics of materials. Summary of differences. Soft magnetic materials magnetize and demagnetize easily. Hard magnetic materials do not. Soft magnetic are used in AC applications. Hard magnetic in static applications. And understanding these different is key selecting to write the materials for the specific use in the cases. Conclusion: both soft and hard magnetic materials play virtual roles in technically. Their unique properties make them suitable for different applications. Proper selections and understanding of these materials enhance device the performs and efficiently. Thank you, ma'am.